everyone, today we're going to show you how to make custom boxes for your business. This is a basic piece of construction paper that we got from Target for 49 cents. It's pretty heavy duty, so even though it's construction paper, it's pretty heavy and it gets the job done. So we're going to start by cutting the paper in half. And both of those half sheets of paper, you see the size, it's not that big. It's gonna make 2 boxes. That's large enough for us to mail out like 6 bundles of hair. It doesn't matter what your product is. We make all size and dimension of boxes, whether it's cake boxes, cookie boxes, shoe boxes, whatever your product is, we can make it. So right now he marked off, he counted down with the ruler on each side, 3.5 inches, then he counted 3 inches, and now he's connecting those lines together. So on each side of the paper, before he connected those lines, he took the ruler and marked 3 inches the first time, 3.5 the second time, 3 inches the third time, and then 3.5 again the fourth time. And now he's basically measuring off the 15 inches. You know how hair is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 inches. We're making a 15-inch box because our hair lengths go up to 30 inches. So if we have to fold it in half to fit in the box, it fits just fine and it doesn't damage the hair at all. So at the end, he's just making 4 slits where he marks the 3.5 and 3 inches. And that's going to be where he folds the box to close it. Those are the closure areas that he's cutting right now. And this box will literally cost you $1 to make. Like I said, the paper is 49 cents. The glue, we use super glue, it's like $1. We already had some. And then you use a cutter and a ruler, and that's all you need to make the boxes. But if you want to customize it, I'll show you at the end how we actually put our business name on the boxes. Right now he's folding the flaps. That's going to be the closure of the boxes. And he's folding everywhere where he connected the lines, the 3.5 and 3 inch lines. He's just creasing those lines and folding them. And basically we're going to use some spray glue. But you can use any glue. You can use super glue, Gorilla Glue, whatever glue you want to use. We just use the spray glue to close the box. And you just seal it right there. You're only going to seal it in 2 places. You seal it along the seam right there, the seam. And then we're going to seal the bottom part. After we press this down, just hold it down and make sure that it seals really well. Okay, at this point your box is pretty much done. So now we're going to show you how to customize it and put how we would put your custom name on the box. So what we do at this point, we have a stamp with our business name on it. So we basically just stamp it in 2 places. And then we do it again on the other side. And voila! There you have it. your custom box. We're just sealing the end. Press down a little bit just to make sure it seals really good. And then this top part, we usually, if we're hanging it in one of our stores, we'll just punch that part and it's good for display. It hangs really well. You want to hang it up on the display rack. So that's your 15-inch box with your custom name on it. And it's really light, so it's safe at the post office on shipping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave it in the comments area. See you next time. Bye.